Hello. Now we are going to discuss about an important operator, that this operator is called unary operator, and it is named as pre-increment or post-increment. Sometimes we use also pre-decrement and post-decrement. So, assume we are using some code, and in this code we are writing C equal A plus B. What does it mean by? So, this A and B are called operands, and plus is the operator. Here plus is called binary operator. Why this is called binary operator? Because of binary means 2. This operator we are using with 2 operands, that is why it is called binary operator. But here this plus plus, or sometime we use minus minus also, this operator is called unary operator, and this operator works on a single operand. So, let us have a look. So, what is the task of this operand actually? So, there are 2 different tasks. If I write A plus plus, so the task is what performed by help of this. There are 2 things. One is the task, where it is written, for which purpose it is written, the task, and its increment. Increment means A equal A plus 1. The value of A will be incremented by 1. So, there are 2 things. One is task, another one is the increment. So, when as per the time when it will be performed, pre means before and post means after. So, after the task it will be performed, or before the task it will be performed. If the increment is performed before the task, so here task and the increment, if I divide the job of this particular statement plus plus A in 2 different parts, first one is task and then is increment. Here increment will be done first, here this is first increment operation will be performed and then task will be performed, this is second. In this case the task will be performed first, task this is first, and increment will be second. Okay, let us have a look about on these examples. So, here int A, B, 2 variables are there. A is assigned as 5. So, initially A is 5 and B is garbage value. So, what is garbage value? It is a random value which is stored inside this place, and that is because of the storage class, storage class. Its storage class is auto. It is a keyword. In storage class session I will discuss this thing. Okay, so A is assigned as garbage. Now what we are doing, A is assigned as, so in this line 2 memory location allocated, and in this line, in this statement A is assigned as 5. Now what we are performing, B equal A plus plus. What does it mean? So the task is what? There are 2 things. One is incrementing, and then another one is this value will be assigned in this place. So first this is post increment. So increment operation will be performed post, later, after. So task is to assign the value here. So what is the value of A? The value of A is 5. So 5 will be assigned inside B. So B will be assigned as 5, and then when we will come out of this statement, when finish this statement, the value of A will be incremented by 1, that is 6. So at this point of time, at this line, this A means it is printing this one, this B is printing this one. So this value will be printed as A as 6 and B as 5. Let's have another example. In this example, again by this line 2 memory locations are allocated, A and B. Initially A is, both of them are garbage value. This is also garbage value. This is also garbage value. Now at this line A is assigned as 5. A is 5 now. Now what about B? This is called pre-increment. First increment operation will be performed. So A will be incremented by 1. A is 6 now. Now A is 6 and the total value 6 will be assigned inside B. So B is now 6. Now if you print A and B here, both of them will display 6 value. Let us have another example. A is assigned as 5, and in this place, so A is assigned as 5. Now what we are doing? We are trying to print something. So the task is what? Task is this. This value will be assigned in this place. Okay. Now this is post increment. So increment operation will be performed later. So first assigning the value, that is the task. The task is what? It will be assigned 5. So, the output will be, output for this case will be 5. Then when it will be incremented, then after this statement, the increment operation will be performed, and when will, if assuming in this line we have written a plus plus, if we print again printf, we write the value of a, then it will be 6. Let us have another example. In this case, a is assigned as 5, printf, we are having plus a, plus means before the operand, that means increment will be performed first. So, a will be incremented by 1 first, and then that value will be assigned here 6. So, there are two things, one is the task where it is written, and another one is the increment. If increment is happening before, then it is called pre-increment, and if it increment is happening after the task, then it is called post increment. And the same thing, and the same way, the minus of a and a minus will work, a minus will work, in minus will work. So, this is called pre-decrement and this is called post decrement. So, this is in case of a plus plus or plus a. So, there are 4 things, one is before, after, before. So, wherever it is written as per the context, it will work. Thank you for watching.